Welcome to In It to Win It Travel. This is Steve Barton, and thank you for tuning in. We're going to go over the Boca Raton and what you can expect for room and board here for the 2027 Rules Symposium. First and foremost, if you bring the kiddos, they're going to be ecstatic about the new game room and arcade. It comes complete with adult supervision. And the best part about this arcade, the part that you're going to love the most, and so will your kids because they won't have to ask you, is all of these games are absolutely free. They require no quarters. So they can play here all day and it won't cost you a dime. Moving on to the pool in your downtime. This is my favorite place to hang out. We have a nice lap pool there if you want to get an exercise in. And also, if you're not feeling like exercising and you're feeling a little lazy, you can float down the lazy river. You just get one of those little floaties right there and your favorite cocktail and float right down the lazy river. We also have a little area here for the kiddos, the pirate ship with sprinklers. My favorite part of the pool is this water slide. I mean, looks like it should be in raging waters. They really outdid themselves with this water slide. It's a lot of fun. I've been down it many, many times. If you're feeling a little more adventurous, we also have a wave pool. I have yet to do this one. I should probably try it. I mean, she makes it look really easy here, but I've yet to do it. I'll have to try it next year. Also have cabanas for the little kids. So if you want to rent a cabana for the kids, you've got the Little Mermaid, looks like a unicorn there, maybe My Little Pony, butterflies and ice cream. It will be wonderful. You can spoil them with a cabana. Moving on to the waterfront, where the yachts and boats are docked. We have my favorite restaurant right here, Italian restaurant called the Principessa. And minor details, we are right outside our favorite bar, the Palm Court Lounge. It's right through those glass double doors. That's where we get together after each day of the Rules Symposium, talk shop, any of our favorite companies, and how to make the most money. Thank you very much for being here. If you want replays to the 2026 Rules Symposium, the link is down below. And I will see you in person at the 2027 Rules Symposium in Boca Raton. You have a wonderful rest of your day and happy travels.